Okay, y'all. So let's finally get into take 2 of trying to do this boil. Like, this has been ridiculous. Y'all don't even understand what I've been going through. Trying to set up and just trying to record the second part. But anyway, let's finally do this. And I'm hungry. It's just so hot. The sauce is so hot. I added butter. This is salted butter. Unsalted butter is in beloved sauce. Salted butter, plain, because there's no seasonings in it, so I like to dip my crab in butter and then put hot sauce on it. It's so good. Y'all should try it. And don't forget to tell them that Brittany sent you. Well, not sent you, but just don't forget to let them know that I put y'all on. It gotta be crystals. It gotta be crystals. That's my favorite hot sauce. That was just so good. Oh, well, there goes that lemon. I do have the little squeeze lemon juice, but when I don't want to get all when I want to use lemons or when I don't have lemons, it's rare that I don't have lemons. I feel like I always got lemons, but I did get that little thing. The little, do y'all know what I'm talking about? Because I feel like I'm just rambling. I don't even want to. I want some crabs, like new crabs. That'd probably be my next boil. Oh, there we go. There we go. No wonder. Which one? Dang, beloved, you got me. Oh, the sauce is so hot. I want to get some of this gook up on here. Oh, see, I almost forgot that lemon ring. That was good. That was really good. I wonder how a potato tastes with lemon squeezed on it. corn. I told you that's my favorite vegetable. You know what? I'm gonna start putting all kinds of stuff in here. Asparagus. Asparagus is my favorite vegetable too. I feel like asparagus would be so good dipped in this. I had something to tell y'all, but not gonna remember. I think me being so hungry, it just took over my mind. Mm, mm, mm. The freshness? I'm tripping. The freshness of the cucumber, I don't know what it do, but they do something. Just like that lemon rain do something. Look at my chin. If this ain't on your chin and all that, you ain't eating right. You is not eating right. I should have took my shot before I got into this. I mean, I could take it now. I could take it now. And this ain't even Tropicana no more, y'all. It's Kool-Aid. It's so good. How y'all make y'all Kool-Aid? Do y'all do the pack first, the Kool-Aid pack, then the sugar, then the water? Because that's how I do it. I open the pack, empty the pack in there, and then I put water in the pack. Put that in there so I make sure I got all the sugar out of the pack. And then, pardon me. And then I put the sugar, and then I do the water lastly. I do not add more sugar if need be, but I kind of rarely get that wrong. So I think I got one of the best Kool-Aids. I really do. Nobody ever said anything about my Kool-Aid like it's too much sugar or it's too sweet. It's not sweet enough. I cut these ones big. I never got none of that. Look at it. Yeah. They really protect themselves. But you can't protect yourself from me, because I'm going to get in there. I think it's the vinegary, like, taste from hot sauce that I just love just so much. Okay. You won Mr. Krabs. I mean, that's not Mr. Krabs. But you won. I really want to get in this. So, yeah. Oh. Some people make their Kool-Aid water first. Then it's like if you add the water first, the sugar don't mix right. I'm getting in this shirt. It's like the sugar don't mix right. Why would y'all do that? I want to try to do a video on how I make my Kool-Aid. How you really supposed to make Kool-Aid. But yeah, comment down below. Tell me how y'all make your Kool-Aid. Because this is just amazing to me. Like, I really want to know. Next subject, the Popeye's chicken sandwich is back, and I still have yet to taste it. And it's just getting more reckless and reckless out in the world with these chicken sandwiches. Somebody was fatally stabbed getting in an argument about this chicken sandwich. Like, that's crazy. Like, that thing must hit. That thing must really hit. But I'm gonna get it when it's safe. When it's safe to get, I'm gonna go get it. I'm gonna do a first time trying the chicken sandwich. Comment down below also if you haven't had the chicken sandwich yet. I was actually in line for it, and I waited in that line for 30 minutes in the drive-thru. I get up to the drive-thru. They just ran out. I'm like, when did y'all run out? And she was like, just now. Why? Am I gonna fall in love? Like why am I not able to get this chicken sandwich? These what do they call it? King crab are definitely different from the ones I got from BJ's. Taste totally different, definitely, but they call it red tail or something like that. I don't know. I just know the word red was in it. And it's more of these little spike things on them. And they got these burnt tips. And I told you I got them from Wise, so I cannot get this meat out this cloud. Like, what is going on? And I don't want to cut myself. Anywho, yeah, I want to try that chicken sandwich. Like, I really do. This is killing me. I just want to get it out. It's crab meat flying everywhere. All that for this. You know what? Why? Forget it. Forget it. Forget. I really ain't trying to waste not a single piece of meat. Not a single piece. Wait, let me take the shot. Woo! All right. I'm gonna put a little sip in my mouth first. Wow. Okay, I want another one. Y'all ever ate so much like y'all back started? I feel like food is like literally putting weight on my back. And that ain't cute. Not cute. This YouTube life was hard. It's hard. It's really a job. Like, and I'm more used to it than I was, but jeez. I feel like a damn director. I need a manager. I need an assistant. I don't need an assistant. But that's another type of taste. I'm telling y'all. Y'all gotta try that. Ooh. Why's my hand shaking? Sop that up. I'm gonna eat this whole one in the regular butter and hot sauce. I'm taking no chances missing anything. Okay, now. Like the hot sauce and the butter made me dance every time. The taste is just so good. I should come up with a Crystal's butter sauce. I know I said that meat down. I'm just trying to save the best for last. Let's get a little bit of lemon. mouth a lot. This will give you the itis real quick. You have to. That's necessary. You gotta slurp it up. You gotta slurp it up. Look how this tastes. Y'all like oysters? I like oysters. Me putting the hot sauce on there just reminded me. So let's see. I guess so. That's okay. It's cool. It's cool. I'm always eating corn like that. I feel like I be kissing it a little bit. Kissing and biting. Ooh, where did I go next? I feel like Dora. Where we go next? We went across the bridge. We did it. Oh, why is he falling out? Ooh, child. The itis. The itis. I could just wipe this one. Oh yeah, let me taste it with some lemon. A potato with lemon. Who would have thunk it? You see that hot sauce just pouring out. Oh, I just stole that from out of here. I don't even want this to come out on this. I really don't. Okay, thank you. I had a lot of lemon on it. Well, that's with my fingers. I'm telling y'all, y'all got to try this hot sauce. Butter and lemon. I'm flicking things everywhere. All right. Let's just drop that in there and let that soak. I'm gonna use a fresh lemon for this one. right. All right, y'all. It's been a pleasure. But baby girl need a nap. I ain't gonna eat that yet. I need me a Nizak. Did I eat that whole other egg? Sure did. I'm thinking. I'm gonna take this last shot. God bless me. I tell myself thank you. Thank you guys, because I know some really polite people that probably said bless you through the camera. Okay, last shot and then nap time. Cheers to some good seafood. Do I want one more piece? I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And I see y'all in my next video. Oh, yeah. And tell me if y'all try the butter and the hot sauce, crystals, and the lemon. Because that's the one. That 3 combination, that's the one. But, bye guys.